Camera!
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, they hit him so hard.
Should we call the cops?
Yeah, call that.
Just a regular January morning, 9 a.m., and you on your daily routine carpooling to school. Nothing special except you are in a tiny Chevrolet Bolt, which is a magnet for all kinds of people with a superiority complex. Yet suddenly there is an unhappy driver that thinks we're too slow. Sad truth about small, humble, affordable cars. They attract nonstop bullying. Opposite side of efficiency and affordability, what happens virtually every day? Tailgating, cutting off, or even open unprovoked aggression, as in this video. Whatever triggered this, we apologize, but frankly, he rather looks like a seasoned criminal who wants to teach unexpecting citizens a lesson.
Luca started so hot, they started changing their coverages on him and making him try to sort of give the ball up.
Oh my god.
Moron! For Dallas's offense.
What are you doing?
Two to the ball. He was getting it out quick, letting gap.
Right? He's still pulling up. I look down, gotta check my speed. I was like, not speeding. Look back up, and he starts turning, right? He starts turning so early. Usually when you make a turn, you're not turning into the oncoming traffic. You're gonna come all the way down, and you're
Somehow.
Oh, bear.
Is it a bear?
Hey, bear.
We need to go.
Huh. There's a bear.
Holy dude.
Largest meat and poultry producers, asking them to take a look at the hiring practices at their companies and suppliers, stating the use of illegal child labor, particularly requiring that children.
Joe Biden, Merrick Garland, other Democrats wildly out of touch with registered voters, including the majority of Democrats, by the way, on these important issues, like threats of violence and the protests at the homes of Supreme Court justices, which, by the way, are illegal and have been all along, and the Justice Department has lifted a finger because they like the threats and the violence because the Justice Department under Merrick Garland and the Democrat Party deep state, why would they do anything about this? This is their party at work, right? And you got these entrenched.
He's spinning out. Okay, looks like he crashed out.
He crashed out.
Driftwood.
Please stop! Stop! Get on the ground right now!
Take him under the duster.
I'm bleeding.
Ice! It's ice! Oh, major crash out here, semi crash, the power car, and super soul car hit. Super soul car hit by semi. Please, are you okay? You okay?
20 from 84. Get out, Mess. Nice here. Shut down at 12 mile now. You good? Are you good? You good? We're all good here. You good? Yeah. Stay in your cars. Just get in your cars. Get in your cars. Put your seatbelts on in your car now. Go.
What in the f***?
Paired with gloves. Learn more about harvesting safely and legally at LAist.com. There's also, that's also the place where you can grab the latest in local news, by the way. Highs in the low side.
Might be an asshole. How about you calm down?
No!
Calm down!
What?
Calm down! Calm.
Stop it! Get your ass as old as I am right now!
What's wrong with you? Why are you so angry?
You're an idiot!
Why are you so angry?
Stop right at the light and I'm gonna come in and fat rash in the back of you.
Did you notice the snow and the ice?
Yeah, that's why you don't do it like that, you goddamn dumb bastard!
Why are you being such an ass?
You're an asshole, you stupid motherfucker! Stop right
Thanks.
Wait!
Thanks. You make life so nice. People like
So
you.
do you dumbasses like you that stop.
Why did you honk? Why don't you
Why didn't you
be
go on?
patient? Why don't you be
Why didn't you
patient?
go on, stupid?
Why don't you be patient and be kind to people? Maybe the world would be
the
world would be a nicer place if old like you actually helped to make the world a better place. And a generation for me.
You probably voted for Joe Biden, didn't you?
Kamala Harris, actually. Joe Biden wasn't in the election,
Most
idiot.
idiotic person that makes sense. You're an idiot.